Did you miss the last twist in my recent Reno roller coaster? Well, hold on to your hats because this fire-bound beast is turning into a beauty. We've got walls that whisper secrets, siding that sings success, and a garage that's still playing hide and seek. Want to see what's next in my epic tale of renewal and surprises? Witness the transformation and discover the next chapter. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Don't forget, I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube Talks. Today, I wanted to take you on a tour of updates. We finished majority of the drywall throughout the house, except for the garage. So this is part of the garage here. That's actually going to be the utility room, but that's okay. And over here, we're going into the living room, and everything looks nice and hung up, like drywall should be, right? Nice and white. Look at those gorgeous ceilings. Everything's closed up now. It has a wall. Yay! Fantastic. Look at that. And let's go into the dining room and check that out. Here it is. There we are. Finished drywall everywhere. And this side, we're going to do something different with that side. Maybe wood or something, but for now, we have it just like that. And as we move into this room here, the office slash who knows what room, then we left an open space here so we can actually hook up the gas for the stove that we'll be having natural gas hooked up to it eventually. I think it's actually set up for LP or propane right now, but we'll have to do conversion kit for the stove. So that's why we left that drywall spot open for now, so easy access, right? Moving along to the master bedroom here, we finally got the tub out of the box. Woohoo! Yay! More success. Definitely awesome. So it's gonna sit right here in this corner, and it's all brand new, pretty looking. Probably gonna have to build a platform for this guy. It's pretty big. And don't have anything else in the bathroom just yet. Gotta pick out the, necessities like a toilet and a vanity, but we'll do that later on. Now let's check out the rest of the rooms. let me show you the updated siding. Here it goes. We did this side all the way up to the door. Check it out. We also finished the siding on the big side of the house over here, but we had to stay till past dark to finish it. So here it is. That's what it looked like when we were all cleaned up. Check it out. Thank you so much for joining me in my epic house flip progress. And if you missed my last video, don't worry, just click to your left and I'll see you there.